So you want to be a game developer, and it just seems so daunting. Let me share with you my journey into game dev through making 200 plus casual games. I worked on a game which was basically having a new game to play every day, and it got over 100,000 downloads. So yeah, you should definitely listen to this random guy on YouTube. Why game dev? Before starting your endless journey into game dev, figure out what motivates you. It's a really long journey, one which I am still on. You need to love the learning process because, yes, it's hard at times, but the reward that comes with it is priceless. So, it could be a very simple reason for you. Which brings us to our next question: which game engine to choose? There are a plethora of game engines that are available on the market. Should I learn Unity, Unreal, Godot, GameMaker, or dare I even say Scratch? Don't be paralyzed with the choice. I can assure you, if you do it right, no matter what engine you choose, your knowledge will be transferable to any engine. Get the concepts right, and you'll be well off on your journey. Choose one that appeals to you. Do some research. Don't have a PC that can run Unity? No problem. Go with Godot. This is all about exploring and falling in love with creating experiences you can share. Just start anything that works for you. Start small, but dream big. Alright, so I want to be a game developer, and at the start of my journey, I'm going to create the next journey. Get it? If you try to match your skills with your idea, I personally think you're not going to enjoy the process. Start small game projects, which help you in learning the fundamentals of game design. One by one, you're going to have a lot of techniques under your belt. Your brain will start giving you ideas on how to combine mechanics, improve gameplay, and you're only going to get better over time. Also, the feeling of accomplishment when you actually finish a game and people play it, that's right, work for that dopamine. Eventually, you'll be in a position to make longer and better games and feel comfortable taking on the next challenge. But you gotta level up first. Don't get stuck in tutorial hell. People often get stuck here and seem to make no progress. You learned a bunch of cool things to do, but you don't know what to do with them. They're a great place to start. My advice would be to use tutorials sparingly. Think of a mini game you can make with that tutorial. Just don't go down the rabbit hole where you keep watching and not doing. The more you do, the better you get. Cliche. Learn the building boxes. You need to know the programming language your engine supports to make interactions. You might currently have no idea on how to program games. That's not an issue. We all can do it. You you could use a visual scripting tool for your engine or choose one that supports it. The fundamental idea remains the same on coming up with logic for things to interact with each other. You should definitely learn how to code. It gives you a lot more control down the line. Even if you're scared of it, don't worry, it's part of your learning. Don't get demotivated by people saying it's really hard. If you can come up with the flows for your interaction on a paper or a visual scripting tool, you're more than capable enough to do with code. It's just a language to express your thoughts in. Think of it as a tool, embrace it. Which brings us to the next question: do I need a school or I can learn it on my own? The answer is yes, you can do it on your own. People often get stuck. Do I join a boot camp? Do a degree? There are a lot of programs out there. They're not bad, but the internet is free and you can learn it on your own. You just need the right motivation. If you feel you learn better at a school, go for it. But you should start on your own. That's my personal recommendation. Because if you're in it for the long haul and trying to make a career in it, you're likely to be spending time on your own, learning new things, and there won't be always be a direct solution to your problem. Learning on your own will improve your problem solving skills. Next, repetition is key. The best way to hammer down those sweet concepts in your brain is you need to do it over and over again until you feel you're comfortable and you can do it on your own. I think it will play a very important role on your journey. Do it for the long run. Like I said, it's a journey you decide to embark on. It's not a sprint. People who stick longer with it are more likely to succeed here. Don't compare your starting point with someone else who is on their other journey. Make it a hobby. And that's it. You will be the chosen one. That's it for the videos. If you like what I have to say, or maybe some future tutorials down the line, subscribe to the channel and support this video by pressing that like button.